Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the Sony A7S Mark III. Let's jump right in with the spec. It has a newly developed 12.1 megapixel full frame back illuminated XMOR CMOS sensor with an expandable ISO range up to 409,000 to 600. We've also got a brand new processor, the Bion Z XR, and this is 8 times faster than what we've seen before in the A9 II and the A7 R4. So super quick. 10 frames per second continuous shooting and hybrid AF with 759 phase detection points. We also have dual card slots for your CF Express and SD cards and a new Z series battery. And one of the best additions I think Sony could have made to this line of cameras, a flip out touchscreen with a new menu system. Video-wise, we have 4K recording at 120p with autofocus and full HD recording at 240p with autofocus as well. Your 4K video is 422 10-bit with the option to record externally 16-bit RAW using the full-sized HDMI port. 5-axis in-body stabilization with 5.5 stops of compensation, and we've also got an electronic stabilization mode purely for your video recording, which gives you a 1.1 times crop but does make your footage even more stable. Styling-wise, it looks like a classic A7 but with a few tweaks. The biggest one being the flip-out screen. We've also got a really easy to use and find start-stop recording button and a new high-definition 9.44 million dot EVF viewfinder. You can find out more about the spec by clicking on the link in our description, but we decided it was time to leave the specky stuff behind and head out to the streets of Bath to test out some of those key features. While the A7S Mark III is heavily marketed for its video capabilities, let's not forget that it's also an incredible stills camera, and I was eager to pair it with the new 12 to 24mm f2.8 G Master lens. This combo did not disappoint, with the sharpness and amount of detail captured in my shots speaking for themselves. As a predominantly Sony shooter myself, I found the new menu has been made even simpler to navigate your way around, and the viewfinder is just as lovely as always to use. If we take a look at the body in more detail, hidden under these flappy bits we've got our mic and headphone jacks, micro USB and the long-awaited addition of a USB-C charging port. And let's not forget that full-sized HDMI. Having the fully articulated flip screen has made shooting so much easier, and I couldn't be happier for this change. Awkward angles have literally become a thing of the past. And if you did want to do any self-filming with your camera set up on a tripod, you're now able to easily see and frame yourself before you shoot. As expected, the video performance of the A7S Mark III is incredible, making this a real must-have for professional filmmakers. Not only do we have that vast array of options when it comes to recording your video, but we also have those new log profiles, which will make color grading your footage even simpler. This has just been a snippet of what the new Sony A7S can do, and we'll be bringing you a lot more content that was shot from this camera in the future, so stay tuned. If you'd like to find out any more information on the Sony A7S Mark III, then head on over to jessops.com now or pop into your local store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.